Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Marcella. I film makeup tutorials, hauls, vlog, and much more. So if you are new, please go ahead and subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. As you guys can tell by the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys a New Year's Eve glam look and I am super in love with how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. I am using the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette for this look. But use whatever palette you have at home, any colors. You can just go ahead and follow the steps that I took. And also use whatever glitter you want. I really hope you guys like this look and enjoy this video. So if you want to find out how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I'm going to start off by applying some concealer onto my eyelid. And this is going to act as our base or primer. And then after that, I'm just going to blend it out using my fingers. Now I'm going to take the shade China White onto an eyeshadow brush and we're going to use this to set our concealer. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Courtney and I'm just going to take this onto a blending brush and work this into the crease. I'm also going to go ahead and drag this shade underneath my lower eyelid. Now I'm going to take my favorite brush, my number 27 Pro Blending Brush from Sephora, and go into the shade Vanity. And I'm just lightly going in and we're slowly going to darken this up. And it's going to go into the crease, but we're not going to bring it up as high. Now directly on top of that, I'm going to add the shade Confession using the same tapered blending brush. Now I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and blend at the top. I decided to pick up a little bit of the China White shade because I ended up bringing this a little bit too high, so now I'm just blending that back out. Now I'm taking my Sephora 27 brush and using the shade Confession, I'm going to blend that onto my lower lid. Now using my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush, I'm going to take the shade Vanity and work this directly into my crease, blending it out nicely and then blending it into the outer and inner lid. And then I'm also going to go ahead and drag this on my lower lid. Now you want to take any tapered blending brush and take the shade Black Rainbow and we're going to go ahead and deepen up our crease and the inner and outer portions of our lid. Then still using Black Rainbow, I'm just going to take a pencil brush and go ahead and blend this closely to my lash line. Now using some concealer and a concealer brush, I'm going to go ahead and cut my center crease and then I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm just lightly going to blend the edges in, and this was the brush we used to apply Black Rainbow. I didn't pick up any more of that eyeshadow. Now I'm just setting that concealer with China White and then I'm going in and blending out the edges so that there are no harsh lines. Now we are going to take a liquid glitter liner and apply that to the center of our eyelids, and while it is still wet, you're going to take your loose glitter and apply that using your fingers, and then once you're through with that, take a blending brush and just blend out the edges once again because we don't want any harsh lines. And then we're going to prep our eyelashes for falsies, and I'm using the Coco lashes in the style Risque. This is one of my favorite styles. And then I'm going to apply some black liner to my waterline, and off camera I went ahead and applied mascara to my lower lashes. That completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the new year. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching.